Does this picture look like what you enjoy doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Civil engineer skills for resume. We have the problem solving skills. As an engineer, from the planning of the project to the execution and to the finishing, you will encounter many problems. So as a civil engineer, you should indicate in your resume that you are able to solve problems as fast as possible. The next skill you should indicate in your CV is Civil 3D, where you are familiar with computer aided design, building information modeling and such, and different softwares that you are competent in. As a civil engineer, it is important to indicate this software, as different countries have prefer different softwares, but mostly CAD design is good. Engineering design, you should be able to come up with the different engineering designs that are code to different budgets, and you can be able also to come up with good reports. The next one, we have project management. As an engineer, you will definitely be handling a construction or a reconstruction project. You should have the project management skills to be able to manage the projects from beginning to the end. So project management skills. Then you should be able to be proficient in mathematics and physics. For you to identify any issues, even if it's the building specifications, you should be good in the mathematics and the physics, so that the structure can come out as good as possible. The next one, you have the technical skills. The technical skills range from the quantity surveying, project billing, estimation, bar bending schedule, computer aided designs, the modeling, the charts, everything that you have been taught in class that identify you differently from any other professional. Those are the technical skills. Then we have teamwork. As an engineer, you should be able to, a civil engineer, you should be able to work with people on the ground as well as other engineers. So if you are able to work in a team, then as the team leader or one of the team members, then you are a good fit for a civil engineer. In your CV, you should indicate this and how you have worked with different people before. Then verbal communication skills, so that when you are working with other architects, or other professionals on the ground, you are able to communicate well verbally, in the sense that they understand what you're trying to come up with from the project that you're trying to come out with. So verbal, how you communicate ideas, how you communicate the process of building to the other members of the other members that you're working with, is very, very important. Then we have organizational skills. You should have planning, in the sense that how long will that project take, what is the budget, you plan, and you even indicate that with your client. So the other one is also planning your skills, your team members, how they are going to work with you. So organization, being organized is very important. Then critical thinking, you should be very critical in terms of the budget, in terms of the spacing, in terms of how even checking the workers that you're working with. You should be very critical, knowing the advantages of, maybe if you're building in a specific piece of land, the advantages and disadvantages of that place. Then we have working under pressure. As a civil engineer, you should be able to meet the deadline of your client. So you should indicate that you delivered projects in time. Working under pressure goes in line with planning. If you are a good planner, then you'll be able to work under pressure. Even if you are slow or behind, then you can be able to catch up with the pressure that is being given to you. Then details are very important for a civil engineer, because we need some accuracy when it comes to building, otherwise buildings may collapse. So attention to detail is very, very important for a civil engineer. So always be detailed in your projects, from beginning on the planning and the scaling and everything. Decision making is knowing what to do, when, where and with who. So decision making comes from financial, point of view, the goals point of view, the team members, how you're going to select your team members, how, if there is any mistake, how are you going to come up with a decision that will salvage that building. So decision making is very, very important. Then we have leadership. As you grow in your civil engineering career, can you be able to manage other civil engineers? So as you working with architects, working with contractors, working with technicians, overseeing other people who can plan for you, can you be able to be a leader when working with others? So you can consider these skills and put them in your resume. I appreciate your time for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends.